Very good morning, friends. நான் இன்னைக்கு today I am going to prepare wheat veg porridge. Let us see அதுக்கு என்னென்ன ஐட்டம்ஸ் வேணும்னு. சம்பா கோதுமை ரவை 1 கப்பு. இன்ஃபேக்ட் இது 3/4 கப்பு தான் இருக்குது. 3/4 of a cup. தேவையான வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் carrot, onion, capsicum, tomato, cauliflower. Then we will add grated coconut, cashew, salt, then masalas, ginger, pepper, curry leaves, pudina leaves, ginger, green chili, and kotamilli. Okay, coriander leaves. Now, how we are going to do? எப்படி பண்ண போகிறோம்? This wheat we will just heat out. Let us flame the stove. Put a spoonful of ghee. The ghee is melted now. Now we will heat the wheat rava. We are going to heat only, we are not going to fry this. Let's wait that. Wheat rava heated. Now we keep our cooker. Let us add some water into it. Then we will add these vegetables, onion, capsicum, cauliflower, carrot, tomato, grated coconut, jeera and pepper, salt. This is how we are going to prepare wheat porridge, wheat rava porridge. Now we will add the green chili, the ginger, the curry leaves, and pudina leaves. Now we are not going to add these kotamilli leaves, coriander leaves. அது அப்புறமா போட்டுக்கலாம். Then now we will add the cashew nuts. Mix it well. You can see this now. You can see this now. We are mixing it properly. Now we will add this wheat rava. We have added the wheat rava. Now we need to add required water. For 1 cup rava, we add 2 cup of water. Already we have added half a cup. Now we will add 1/2 of the cup. Okay, wait. Another cup கூட அப்போதும். Now this needs to be steamed for 5 whistles. Let's wait for that. We have kept the cooker for steaming. By the time it gets steamed, என்னுடைய channel, those who are not seen my channel, please watch my channel, subscribe my channel. Those who are not subscribed, like my channel, share my channel. This is wheat veg porridge for breakfast. Now our porridge is ready. இன்னைக்கு today I am going to eat it with வத்தக்குழம்பு and புளிக்காய்ச்சல். Porridge, வத்தக்குழம்பு and புளிக்காய்ச்சல். Okay, homemade, kept ready. Right? Thank you very much for watching Chandru's Taste. All of you, please support. Right. Thank you.